What's up, guys? Steve here from Carberry Canal. We're getting ready to do a Raz for Winner's Choice. Top name after 4 randoms is going to take home a jersey right now. We are live. Good luck. Top name. Let's do it. Here is your random.org. It is 8:10. And here's your list. Brent, then to Jonathan. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 8:10. 8:10 it is. Last and final random, guys. Top name is going to get a choice between our Marner or Paddy Waugh. Good luck again. It is 8:10. Here we go. Stacy, congrats, man. Spot 3. I believe you're the first person to take a spot. So maybe it was a good luck one. Congrats. Let's get your timestamp. I think you're the first person to take a spot. I could be wrong. Fourth and final timestamp says 8:11. And 8:11 it is. Let's do it. Congrats, man. There's your timestamp. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you on the next Raz.